Hello, mathematicians! Are you ready to sing with me? I love maths, yes I do. I love maths, how about you? We love maths, yes we do. We love maths and we're ready to. Today we're learning about turns. I want you to stand up and turn all the way around. That is a full turn. When you are looking forward and then you turn all the way around back to where you came from. If you turn so that you're facing backwards, that is a half turn. Okay? And if you turn so you're facing sideways, that is a quarter turn.
Okay, so we're going to start off with our pizza. There's our pizza, and that's a whole pizza, and that's quite important to remember that there is the whole pizza, because then if I cut it into two equal pieces, I have one half and I have the other half. So I have two halves of the pizza. Okay, so we can say that this is half and this is half. Okay, so that's half and that's half. Yep. Now, here's my elephant. Here's the elephant. And he's the one going to be doing the turning. Okay, and of course we know elephants love sticky buns. So we're going to be using the sticky bun to help the elephant turn. Okay, so to start with, we're going to be looking at a half turn. All right, we're going to be looking at a half turn. So what we need to do, we want the elephant to turn halfway round, is we need to move the sticky bun half a way around the pizza, and it doesn't matter which way we do that, it ends up in the same way, halfway round, because it's at the opposite end, opposite side to the one we started, so it's going to turn. So here we go, here's the elephant, and he's going to be sniffing around, and he's going to watch his trunk there, watch his trunk here as it goes halfway around. It goes halfway around, and it stops when he can smell the sticky bun again. So he has turned from here half the way around to there, and that means he's turned half a turn, because if we take that half away, he's turned his trunk to be that half. Hopefully that makes a bit of sense. Okay, so if he then was to turn the other halfway round, it's still the same. He's turning half the way around, and the sticky bun doesn't have to move. Okay, good. Okay, so then we're going to look at our whole pizza again. Okay, sorry if this is still not making sense, but this is our whole pizza again. But this time we're going to be cutting it into 4 equal pieces. They're nearly equal. Okay, they're 4 equal pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, which means they are quarters, or 1 piece of the 4. Okay, so there are 4. Now this time, here's our elephant and our sticky bun. He's going to do a quarter turn. He's going to do a quarter turn. So we only need it to turn 1 quarter. So we're going to move that sticky bun, and he is going to turn 1 quarter. Okay, so he's sniffing the sticky bun. So he's gone from here around to there. Okay, so we go back to our whole pizza again, and if we started here and he turned a quarter turn, then we'd want our elephant to turn another quarter turn, So he's gonna turn a quarter this way. Okay, so there he is, and he's gonna go that way. No, he's gonna go the same way as the pizza. Quarter of the pizza turned, and there he is, sniffing the sticky bun. So, I have to go back. Not a nice animated slide, this one. I'm just doing all the work. So, if he was going to turn a quarter the other way, we get rid of all of those pizza slices, or you just imagine those pizza slices in your head. And there he goes, quarter turn. That way it's a quarter turn. So the half turn, he goes from the top right round to the bottom. And a quarter turn, he goes right from the top. Just half a half. Remember, half a half for a quarter.
Okay, so maybe that gave you a little bit of help. And using that and our learning about patterns from last week, we're going to put it together to complete this tiling pattern. You will need to cut out the 4 ducks that you have in your learning pack and stick them onto the sheet in your maths book. But we're not going to stick them on just any old how. We need to see if they're the right way round. And that is a matter of reading the pattern. So for example, let's have a look at it together. This first row, the duck is pointing up this way, then he's this way, then he's this way. So if I get my duck, first he would be this way, then he moves that way, then he's going to move round again, and the last time he's going to move round again. So he would be that way. This pattern is a bit different because it's not going round and round the same way. It's actually only got 2 ways. So let's have a look at it again together. We start this way, we go this way, and then he does a half turn this way, and then he goes back and does a half turn this way again. So lastly, it would be the same as that one, wouldn't it? He'd go back and do a half turn this way. So he goes down, up, down, up. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's have a look at the rest together, and then I want you to go and do it on your own. So we're starting this way, and we move on to this one. He's doing a quarter turn like that, and then he's going the right way up, doing a quarter turn like that. So last he would do a quarter turn back round, and I'm going to put this one here ready. He's facing up, he's facing down, he's facing up. Lastly he'll be facing up, down, that's right. Well done. Can you go and do that activity all by yourself now? Well done, you superstars. See you tomorrow.